70% of medical collections debt will soon be removed from your credit reports, and it could boost your credit score. So you may be getting that huge boost in your credit score in the near future. Stick around to find out why, guys. Hey there, welcome to the VIP Financial Education YouTube channel where we talk all things credit, capital, and cash flow. I'm your host today, Michael Matthew. In today's quick video, we're going to be diving back into credit, a topic that likely drew many of you to our channel to begin with. And with that being said, guys, let's just go ahead and dive straight in. So the three major credit reporting agencies, which are going to be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, recently announced that they will strip 70% of medical information out of consumers' credit reports starting in July of 2022. So what type of medical debts are they talking about? Well, as long as the medical debt has already been paid, then it will no longer appear on the credit reports. This is really great news for many, as in the past, doing the right thing and taking care of those medical collections would often come with a substantial drop in their credit score. Not going to be the case anymore. We even did a video on this topic a few years back, and it's one of our most popular videos given the hoops the credit agencies had previously forced folks to jump through in order to pay off their medical collections debt without their credit score also paying a hefty price. That video is still super relevant for non-medical collections debts, but we're happy to see the ship has finally been righted when it comes to medical debt, at least. Beyond the removal of the medical collections on credit reports, they will also remove unpaid medical collection debts from reports if it's less than $500. They mentioned that this will happen sometime in the first half of next year. So you might be asking, who really stands to be positively affected by these changes? Well, according to a recent Kaiser Family Foundation study, nearly 1 in 10 Americans carry medical debt over $250. And according to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, some 43 million Americans have unpaid medical bills that end up on their credit report. And as of the second quarter of 2021, 58% of bills that were on collections and on people's credit records were medical bills themselves. This report also found that medical debt collections were less predictive of future payment problems than other debt collections like mortgages or cars, for example. This is likely one of the greatest contributing factors to these upcoming changes. So what kind of impact can this have on your credit score? Well, an instance of collection debt in your credit report can decrease your credit score by as much as 110 points. So this can obviously have a huge impact for a lot of people. Ted Rossman, who's a senior industry analyst at Bankrate, had some interesting things to say about this. Here's his quote. Already some of the newer FICO and VantageScore algorithms disregard paid medical collections and place a lower emphasis on unpaid medical debt compared to other types of debt. The CFPB has been poking around these issues even further, and that seems to encourage some of the credit bureaus to completely remove medical collections from all credit reports. This removal will help people who have paid medical collection debt increase their credit scores, especially for older FICO models that are required for federally backed mortgages. There seems to be an acknowledgement that medical care is essential and should not be penalized by the credit bureaus. So guys, what do you think of these changes? Are they going to have an impact on your scores personally in the near future? Do you think they're doing enough here, or should they be doing more? If so, what would that be? Let us know what you think in the comments section below, and also be sure to smash that like button, as that helps out our YouTube's ever-changing algorithms. Also, for any of you who are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and ding that bell below. That's going to give you notifications when we upload new videos here on the channel. We've got several of these new videos that are dropping every single week, so stay tuned. Until we see you on our next video, make it a great day and take care.